Dumating na Nintendo Switch 2, bubuksan natin to at kukumpara natin yung kanyang display size sa Legion Go at saka sa Steam Deck at sa ROG Ally X. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the retail box of the Nintendo Switch 2. Mas maaga to ng konti na nakuha natin because this one is the Hong Kong variant or global variant. And unlike the ones na ilalabas pa lang or i-deliver sa Filipino consumers ng June 26, that one is actually fit for the C4C or for the Philippine market. Now this one is for the Hong Kong market, and this one is a little bit cheaper than we expected. Akala namin tatawid ng more than 37,000, but this can only be bought for about 35,000 per pesos or close to 36,000 pesos. So this one comes with the Mario Kart World code, and you can only redeem that if you switch your region to Hong Kong region. Okay, so this is, as I mentioned earlier, is the retail box. And siya, no? And we're going to check out what else you can find inside the box. Pretty much the same naman yan halos, no? Kapag kinumpara mo sa ibang mga variants. This is the mismong pinaka-panel, no? And the device itself without the controllers. We've got here the latest Joy-Cons, okay? And we're going to also remove the plastic of the Nintendo Switch 2. Good thing about this is that this one has a built-in kickstand, way better than the previous generation. Okay. We'll get into that later on. We'll just proceed with our full unboxing experience. Now this one naman is the key for the Mario Kart. Yung pinakabagong Mario Kart series. This is the Mario Kart World. It's an open world, pseudo open world Mario Kart. And inside we also have here the HDMI cable. Meron tayo dito na accessory para if you want to use the Joy-Cons individually, you can do so. You can just simply attach this to the Joy-Cons. And we also have the charger right here. Okay. AC adapter. And we also have here a Type-C to Type-C cable. And also we have an accessory that would allow you to use yung pinaka Joy-Cons as controller. Pero syempre, maganda pa rin for better experience is gumamit ka ng Pro Cons, no? And also we have the dock, the latest dock that came with the Switch 2. It's definitely different compared to the previous generation. Medyo rounded yung kanyang corners. Ooh, galing ah. Galing. It's slimmer than I expected, honestly. And the feel is also different compared to the previous generation. Mas manipis siya. You have here the sleep and wake button, the volume rockers. You have here yung lalagyan ng cartridge. 3.5mm jack, Type-C, vents. Then we have another Type-C port right here at the bottom. At meron din tayong, as I mentioned, kickstand. And let me see. Kickstand, and there you go. We have here the micro SD card slot. Ayan. Pinukasan natin siya. This is the display of the Steam Deck, and this is now the display of the Nintendo Switch 2. The Switch 2's display is a little bit bigger than the one on the Steam Deck. Okay, it's good. And then also we've got here naman the Ally X. And Ally X's display is smaller because this one is 7-inch. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this one is 8-inch. And this is the Legion Go, which is definitely much bigger than the Nintendo Switch 2. Okay, this one is 8.8-inch compared to the Switch 2. So we will be setting this up and give you guys a quick overview again, as I mentioned earlier, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Ito po si Gian Viterbo. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!